press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone and welcome back to a social study class. Okay, so in the previous class we already discussed about the coastal plains and then island, isn't it? So we already discussed where the coastal plains lies, isn't it? Its width and then its part. So just recall it. So here in the west coastal plain and then east coastal, western coastal plain and then eastern coastal plain. Here we can see the three parts and here we can see the two parts. Okay, so three parts is Gujarat coast, Konkan coast and then Malabar coast. Okay, so here the northern Sarkars and then Coromandel coast. Okay, so we already know its width and all about it. Okay, and then also the island of our India. Okay, so Andaman and Nicobar Island we can see in the east part, Bay of Bengal, isn't it? So here in the Arabian Sea we can see the Lakshadweep Island in the west part. So here, so in this life in this, now we are going to study about the life in this region. Okay, life of the people, how they live here, isn't it? So in this southern part we can see the many states here. So already I told you in the southern plateaus, isn't it? So here also we can see the many states comes under in the western coastal plain, isn't it? So here, so two coastal plains cover part of the state like Gujarat and then Maharashtra, Goa and then Karnataka, Kerala. So here we can see the Gujarat, after that Maharashtra, here in a small part Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, isn't it? So it is in the western coastal plain. Okay, so here in the, and also in the eastern coastal plain we can see the West Bengal here, West Bengal and then Orissa. Here we see the Orissa, Andhra Pradesh and then Tamil Nadu. We can see here. Orissa, Andhra Pradesh and then Tamil Nadu. So here there are many states are comes here now in the west and the east part of the coastal line. Yes. So here one by one we are going to study about it. Okay. First one is Gujarat. Gujarat state. Okay. So most people of Gujarat are traders and farmers. So in the generally we can usually the Gujarat person means they involved in industries, isn't it? So many Gujarat peoples are business persons, isn't it? So here we can see the many famous business persons here. So Gujarat people are they are farmer, otherwise the business person. Okay. So here they grow many crops here. Where? In the Gujarat state. Okay, like jowar and then bajra, cotton, groundnuts. Okay, wheat, sugarcane. They grow here, and other main crops grown here. And jowar and bajra are grown in the rainy season. They grow jowar and bajra in the rainy season. Okay, there are many industries in Gujarat. I already told you now, if the Gujarat peoples involved in business. So here in the Gujarat state we can see the many famous industries here, isn't it? So the prominent ones are sugar industry we can see here, and then textiles, and then Khadi means, all you recall now? Mahatma Gandhi ji, Khadi is famous, isn't it? Yes. So there is a big dairy at Anand, okay, and the salt is produced from the seawater. So salt is produced very large number now, So here also salt is produced, okay, and here natural oil, and also they get the natural oil and gas have also been struck in Gujarat, okay. So also been struck here in Gujarat. We can see here two gulfs is here na, Gulf of Kutch and then Gulf of Kambak, okay. So here Gandhinagar, okay, Gandhinagar near Ahmedabad, okay, near Ahmedabad, okay. So here is the capital of Gujarat, okay. Ahmedabad is the capital of Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi, so who is the father of our nation? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi, isn't it? So here we can see the Sabramati Ashrama in this Gujarat part, in the Ahmedabad, isn't it? So we can see the Sabramati Ashram, isn't it? So here is in the Ahmedabad, okay. It is symbol of utmost simplicity. How our Gandhiji live? Yes, how our Gandhiji live? Simple life, na? So it is utmost simplicity we can see here, okay. So the kind of love, the kind of life Mahatma Gandhi live, it's inspired to us, na? Inspired to us, na? Yes, it's inspired to us to live, yes, simple life. So here Jamia Masjid. Jamia Masjid here is unique kind. You can see here in this Gujarat state, Jamia Masjid, and okay, and then minaret of masjid. Minaret means minaret like this. Minaret we can see here in this Gujarat state, okay. So here is shaken. So here masjid minaret is shaken here. The others start shaking on their own, okay. Here so they are called shaking towers. Baroda, in this we can see here in the masjid there are shaking towers, okay. In Baroda we can see here. Is another important industrial center here. A new port has been built up. Here we can see Kandla. New port we can see in this, yes, Kandla, okay. This is the new, yes, port. Port means what? Yes, a place where ships, okay, load and unload the goods, okay. Here Kandla is very important port here. New port we can see in this Gujarat coast, Gujarat state. Here and then famous forest we can see here. Gir forest in the south of Rann of Kutch. Here we can see the Rann of Kutch now. So here we can see the forest, Gir forest we can see here. Famous for what? It's famous for lions. It's famous for lions. Gir forest is famous for lions, okay. And the Gujarati women wear, what they wear? Yes, sari, putting one end and of the popular, and they wear this, the women wear the sari, okay. So and then popular dances, you have any idea? Yes, Garba is the very popular dance we can see in the Gujarat, okay. So here men wear dhoti and then kurta with turban, okay. So women wear sari, men wear dhoti and kurta with turban, okay. So Gujarati is the language spoken here. So Gujarati language is spoken here. Garba is one of the popular dance of Gujarat people, okay. Garba is very popular dance in Gujarat. So this is all about the Gujarat. This is all about the Gujarat. Next one is Maharashtra. Maharashtra, okay. Maharashtra is situated in the Konkan coast. I already told you now. Yes, Gujarat coast start from Gulf of Kutch to Gulf of Kambak. Like that, this Konkan coast starts from Gulf of Khambat. Okay, so it's covered the large part of Maharashtra. Yes, so here in the Konkan coast we can see the Maharashtra. So Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. So why the Mumbai is famous? Yes, Mumbai is famous for what? Films. Okay, so here it is the largest seaport. Mumbai is the largest seaport of India and other important industrial center we can see in the Maharashtra. Okay, many crops and fruits are grown here. So here also they grow, the farmers grow many crops. Farmers grow many crops here. Okay, in the Maharashtra. Large deposits of petroleum, so they dig the petrol here. Okay, in the Mumbai they dig the petroleum. Okay, have been found in the seabed. So here we can found the petroleum here near Mumbai. Near in the Mumbai they found the petroleum. This region is called the Mumbai High. So this region is called as the Mumbai High. This is about the Maharashtra. Okay. Next one is Goa. So here we can see the Goa here now. So it is very small. Yes, small state also, isn't it? So Goa is small state situated to the south of the Maharashtra. After the Maharashtra we can see the Goa here. Okay. So it is famous all over the world. Why it is famous all over the world? Yes, for beautiful beaches, isn't it? So we can see the many beaches here. Okay, in the Goa. It has many old churches also. So we can see the many old churches also. The most famous of them is the church of Saint Francis Church is famous here, and then Christmas is major festival celebrated here. So in the Goa we can it is very small state, but we can found many beaches here. Okay, so and also we can found the many old churches. So Christianity, we can see the many Christians people live here. So here Christmas is the famous festival celebrated here in the Goa. Okay, so Panaji is the capital of Goa. The Mahalakshmi temple and fort, we can see the Mahalakshmi temple and also Aguda, fort of Aguda, and two places are tourist interest. So these two places are very attraction to the tourist. Okay, so most people are farmers or fishermen. So here the most people are fishermen or otherwise farmers. Okay, so here this is all about the Goa. So here next one is Karnataka. Which is our state? Yes, which is our state? Yes, Karnataka, isn't it? The coast Karnataka lies to south of the Goa. After the Goa we can see the Karnataka here. So coconut, cashew nuts, okay, and then spices are grown here in Karnataka. We grow many crops. Okay, so mainly cashew nuts, spices, isn't it? So here groundnuts we are growing here, isn't it? So they are thick forests and teak trees. So in the Karnataka we can see the thick forest also, and then teak trees we can see here in Karnataka. Some pepper mills have also been set up. So here pepper mills also set up here. So Mangalore is important port city. So Mangalore is very important port city in Karnataka. So Mangalore is important port city in Karnataka. Next one is Kerala. The coast of Karnataka and Kerala are part of the Malabar coast. So here after Karnataka we can see the Kerala here now. So it comes under the Malabar coast. It comes under the Malabar coast. So here the southernmost part of the western coast lies in Kerala. It lies in Kerala. Okay. Kerala is a small but beautiful state. So Kerala is also very small, but it's very beautiful state, isn't it? So we can see the many coconut trees here. Okay. So and also beaches. Thiruvananthapuram is capital of Kerala. Thiruvananthapuram is capital of Kerala. People speak here Malayalam. Which language speak? They speak Malayalam, okay, and English. Malayalam and then English the people speak here. They like to wear white cloths. What they like to wear? Yes, they like to wear white cloths. And men wear a small dhoti, lungi. You know the lungi now? Yes, men wear lungi here, okay, and shirt. Most of the people like to wear what they like to wear? Yes, they like to wear white, yes, white cloth, isn't it? So men wear dhoti and then shirt. Women wear sari and then blouse. You know the famous sari, white color sari, cotton sari? Yes. And they decorate themselves. They decorate their hair with flowers. So what they do? They decorate their hairs with flowers. And every person, man or woman of Kerala is, yes, literate. So all are educated. Every woman or men, everyone is, yes, yes, educated, literate. Okay. So here in the in the Kerala state, so every person in the Kerala, they are literate, they all are educated, okay. So we can see the high literary rate here in the Kerala. Their main festival is Onam festival. Onam is very famous festival here. It is festival of flowers. So it is festival of flowers. And boat races. So you know it's festival of flowers, and also we can see the boat race. Boat race means they compete with each other in the boat race. Long boats run like snakes. So here they run like a snakes. Boats run like a snakes on the still waters of lagoons. Lagoons I already told you in the previous class. Yes. Kathakali and yes, Kathakali is very famous here now. Mohiniyattam is very famous classical dance of Kerala. So here this is all about the Kerala. Next one is West Bengal. So here in the eastern coastal plain. First one is, yes, first one is West Bengal. Okay. So it is lies in the western coastal plains. The soil of the region is very fertile. So here we can see the delta here now. Yes, Ganga and Yamuna forms the delta here now in the West Bengal. So here the soil is very fertile soil. Why? The rivers carry, yes, the rivers carry very important things, isn't it? So that's why the soil is very fertile soil. The main crops are paddy and jute. So here we can see the paddy and jute are the main, yes, crops here. And then Kolkata has many jute and textiles mills here. Mills we can see here. So West Bengal capital is Kolkata. Okay. In the Kolkata we can see the many industries. Okay. In the West Bengal. So next one is Orissa. Orissa or Odisha. Okay. So here so here we can see the, yes, in the state of Orissa lies in the delta of Mahanadi river. So it flows here now. So here we can see the Mahanadi river. So farming is the main occupation of the people. So its farming is main occupation of the people. Here paddy is chief crop. So here paddy they grow in large number. Okay, paddy they grow very in large number. So the handicrafts and fine silver work are Orissa famous all over the world. So handicraft is handicrafts is very famous here in Orissa. It's famous all over the world. Okay, in Orissa. So here Oriya is the language of Orissa's people. So they speak Oriya language. Their main festival is Shraban Purnima. Shraban Purnima. Purnima is the main festival of Orissa people. So here Orissa, the classical dance of Orissa is the well-known dance of this area is Odissi. Odissi dance is very famous in the Odisha. Okay. So here, so the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswari is the capital of Odisha. Okay. So here, Sun Temple of Konark we can see here in the place of Orissa state. So its famous temple we can see here. Okay, Konark temple is very famous here, and also Jagannath temple. So we can see the Jagannath temple at Puri. Okay, so at Puri attract people from far and near places. Okay, so those temples are attract the many people. Okay, so here we can see the temples. And also the Chilka lake is large beautiful lake and place of tourist interest. So here the lake is very famous in Odisha. Okay, so and also we can see the many temples also. So this is all about the Orissa. Okay, so next one is Andhra Pradesh. So the Godavari and Krishna rivers forms delta in the coastal area of Andhra Pradesh. So it forms the delta here in the Godavari and Krishna river forms the delta in the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so the farming is the main occupation. So the farming is very main occupation of this people, Andhra Pradesh people. So the paddy is the main crop. So main crop of the Andhra Pradesh people is paddy is the main crop. So and already so this Deccan Plateau is called as the rice ball. Why? Because in this Deccan Plateau they grow paddy in large numbers. So that's why it's called as rice ball, isn't it? So here the famous crop is paddy is the famous crop here. We can see here in the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so and also Visakhapatnam. So in this area we can see the Visakhapatnam. So Visakhapatnam is an important seaport. So important, it is very important seaport. Okay, Visakhapatnam is very important seaport. We can see in the Andhra Pradesh. So the city has shipbuilding yard. Shipbuilding yard we can see here. Iron and steel and then oil refinery we can see in the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so this is all about the Andhra Pradesh. Next one is Tamil Nadu. Okay, so here the Kaveri river forms its delta here in the Tamil Nadu. Kaveri here, Godavari and Krishna forms the delta in the Andhra Pradesh now. So like that in the Tamil Nadu, which river forms the delta here? Kaveri river forms the delta along the Coromandel coast. Here is the Coromandel coast here now. So here we can see the Coromandel coast here. So in Tamil Nadu, the main crop is paddy. So the Tamil Nadu people grow paddy here. It's their main crop. Okay. Chennai, you know the Chennai now? Yes. Chennai is famous for what? Chennai is famous for silk sarees. Chennai is famous for what? Yes, silk sarees. And also we can see the beach here. Yes, Marina Beach we can see here. It's famous beach located in Chennai. Okay. It is the longest beach in India. Marina Beach is very longest beach in Chennai. Okay. And then next one is Puducherry. Puducherry, it is our union territory now, and also Andaman Nicobar and then Lakshadweep is the union territory. Yes. So here we can see next one is Puducherry. Okay, is the union territory. So Puducherry is our union territory. Nearly 45% of population in this union territory follows agriculture. So here in the Puducherry they follows the agriculture, okay, and related occupations. So and then Puducherry is famous for what? Yes. So here it's famous for ashram. Which ashram? Yes, Aurobindo ashram. Yes, Aurobindo ashram is, and also Matir Mandir. So this is famous for, yes, Puducherry is famous for Sri Aurobindo ashram and then Matri Mandir. Okay, here famous for, yes, Puducherry. So here, so we all know about our coastal plains and then island, isn't it? So here in this class we already know about the, yes, we all learnt about what? We all learnt about the western coastal plain and then eastern coastal plain. Okay. So and then life of this people here. Okay, life of this region here. So I hope that you all are following these videos and studying well at your homes, and then what you are practicing, always practice what the teachers are saying. Always be practice. Don't waste your time. So here, so be active. Okay. Once lost cannot be regained. Okay. So if you waste the time in other activities, so we can't gain that time again. So don't sit idly, just study well at your homes. Okay, this is the crucial time. So be active and study well at your homes, and also I hope that you all are doing your work properly. Okay, so be active, don't waste your time, just follow this all videos. Okay, and also thank you so much.